All right, quick little video on KPX 250. Did the little USB port that everybody's been doing. I put mine there. A lot of people have been sticking it in there. I don't think it fits great on my bike there. Maybe things are a little tighter or something. Came around up under the tank. Didn't have to take anything out. I just used a coat hanger to kind of fish through down through here. I have been having a lot of trouble with those little metal tabs, so if you are a car guy or a bike guy, I think they sell this thing at Harbor Freight probably. You should go get it. It's a 7mm, I think is the one that I've been using. So I have a stacked my leads here, which isn't great. I ended up kind of clustering the wire on this side. No real problem with it, but stacking stuff isn't super ideal. So I'll have this kind of tucked up somewhere, probably zip tied somewhere so I can get at it. But that should make charging a lot nicer. So, a nice clean garage. All right, have a good day.